Stainless steel hinges allow you to adjust uneven doors in your outdoor kitchen with ease. Before you get started, make sure cabinets are level, plumb, and square, countertop and appliances are installed, and all other finish work is completed. Open the door you want to realign and locate the hinges where the side of the cabinet and door meet. In order to center the door in the opening, loosen the front screws on both of the hinges. Slide the door in or out so that it's properly aligned and tighten the screws. In order to align the front door with the cabinet frame, loosen the rear screws on both of the hinges. Move the door in or out so that it's straightened and tighten the screws. If any further adjustment is needed, loosen the hinge plate mounting screws on both hinges. Slide the door up or down and tighten the screws. If the cabinets are still uneven, repeat these steps and make minor adjustments until they align with the cabinet frame and opening. Once the adjustments have been made, this is what the door should look like. Properly caring for outdoor kitchen hinges is essential to keeping the cabinet doors functioning and for extending the cabinet lifespan. Be sure to clean the hinges regularly with a soft cloth by removing any dirt, grease, or debris that may have been accumulated. Apply a lubricant to the hinges to keep them operating smoothly. Finally, check for any loose screws and tighten them as needed to prevent damage from occurring. By following these steps, you can ensure the hinges remain in optimal condition.